That sounds totally insane.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. A lot of fun.
Fun? How is being stuck for 2 hours in a portable toilet fun?
Like an adventure. Like a, oh no, I'm trapped in a toilet kind of thing. Like a, oh, these flies are all over me kind of deal. Oh, will I escape before I black out from the stench?
We maybe have different ideas of fun.
Could be, could be. Really? Great. Are you here to hand in your new manuscript? Nope. Hey, Joyce, you ever been trapped in a toilet? I mean, it's kind of fun, right?
Millie, that manuscript is already 2 weeks late.
It is? Well, I've just been having a hard time focusing.
Do tell.
Oh, too many distractions at home. Easy. Easy. And then the mail came. It's been a madhouse.
Well, what are you watching? Oh, the weather. Yeah, that can be funny sometimes.
I'm laughing at that shirt.
You don't like the shirt? Why? What's wrong with it?
Ugly is a strong word, but not too strong. I'm just teasing, sweetie. But maybe you should wait to pick out clothes until I'm with you.
I happen to take umbrage to that.
What's that?
Umbrage? It's a thing that's bad that you don't want people to take to what you say is what it is. And furthermore, I suddenly have a little urge to stop off and pick up a few more duds all on my own, just to make a point.
Okay, but I think the point you'll make will be mine.
Umbrage.
Where were you?
I went out for a Danish. They tried to sell me some sort of a fritter. Like I don't know the difference.
Do you know the difference between a fritter and fired?
Millie covered.
Joe's pool hall, shoot. Just kidding. Hello?
You're supposed to be finishing your book.
I know, but this phone is ringing off the hook. Joyce's place, Joyce's Haddison. Haddison Place House. Ah, hold.
Millie, if you're having trouble focusing at home, there's a empty office here you can use.
Oh, no way. I can't do the workplace thing. It's too stifling. I'll just go home. No more jerking around.
Thank you.
Crystal, 2 more bites.
Looking for anything in particular?
Well, maybe a couple of shirts. My wife doesn't like this one.
Seriously? She doesn't like that?
I know, this is a fantastic shirt. $7.
7? A shirt of that magnitude? All due respect to your beautiful wife, she's insane.
That's what I told her. Well, I didn't tell her. Not those words, but I gave her a stinky look.
How about that shirt, huh? Oh, that's got you written all over it.
Not bad. Unusual pattern.
Well, in this country, very popular in Latvia.
I'll take it. No, wait, I don't know. I mean, I want my wife to like what I wear, but I need to make a point here.
That you're a man.
Yeah, and that I'm...
Independent.
Independent, but at the same time...
A pushover.
Not a pushover.
I only verbalize what you feel.
Millie,
Marbles.
you said you were going home to finish your book.
Ugh, you were like a dog with a bone about this book.
Okay, enough screwing around. You're not leaving here until that manuscript is finished. Go set up in the spare office.
No, Joyce, please don't make me work in an office. I'm a free bird, a lone wolf, a rogue elephant. I can't be stuck in a cage like a regular elephant. I need to spread my wings and ears.
Finish the book, then you can spread whatever you want.
Beg your pardon?
Go!
Stan Durko, life coach.
Hi, sweetie.
Well, if it isn't Mr. Rockwell, the fashion critic.
I think you mean Blackwell. But I see you're still mad at me or badgy or whatever you said you were.
No, I'm fine.
I'm sorry I hurt your feelings. I didn't mean to do that.
I wasn't hurt. I'm not a 2-year-old.
Did you pick some new clothes?
Yeah, loads of stuff. Fantastic shirts and swinging trousers, and they all happen to be very happening.
I'm glad you found some things you like. Did you keep the receipts?
Excuse me. I just wanted to say, I know that you're new here, but it's Jimmy's birthday, so we're gonna take a few minutes on our break to say happy birthday.
Awesome. Is that cupcake for me?
No, this is for Jimmy.
Oh, well, there'll be more at the party, right?
No, just this one. It's for Jimmy.
Where's the candle?
Well, we can't really have candles. It's against fire regulations.
What about the icing?
Jimmy's diabetic, so it's more of a muffin, really.
I'm really busy. But... Oh, what the heck?
Hey, Odd Pants. How's the Fox business?
Okay, I guess. I mean, you gotta put up with slimy guys saying creepy stuff, but still.
Beats being an Ugmo, I bet. Anyway, is Millie around?
I think she's in her office.
Millie has an office here? I didn't even know that. I'm her agent. I should know that. Why didn't I know that?
Because it just happened this morning.
Oh, well, I can't be expected to know that.
She wasn't too happy about it. Something about being a creative person suffocating in a stale corporate cubicle.
Conga, 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 conga! Hey, Taylor, hop on! It's Jimmy's birthday!
Suffocating may not be the word. Crystal, can you... Crystal, get back to your desk.
I'm trying. I just wanted to go to the bathroom.
Excuse me.